Workout inspiration. I was checking in on two of my brothers. They live in different cities. One's an MD and one's a nurse. And I was like, what's going on with you? And they're like, man, bro, I'm stressed, like overwhelmed. And I was like, what? Because that's usually not them. And they're like, yeah, bro, the hospital is stupid. All these COVID cases. And like, what? Like, wait, what? He's like, yeah, bro, hundreds of thousands of deaths. Like, look around, like the country, like, and I'm like, how? Because that number is so big, hundreds of thousands, and I'm not feeling death. I'm not feeling fear. Like, I'm just walking around like it's regular. And I realize it's because I'm blessed. Hundreds of thousands is such a huge number, but what really matters is one. Let it be one of our most precious. Suffering in a hospital bed alone. We can't touch them. We can't hold them. We can't laugh with them. Let it be us, be that one tomorrow morning and we wake up and it feels like there's broken glass in our lungs and we can't breathe. And we want to argue about, what about the vaccine? What about masks? Is COVID even real? Death is real. Death is real. And we woke up today, a lot of us, able to hold our most precious, to laugh with them, to love on them. Today we woke up and we're able to breathe fully, something that we always take for granted until the minute that we get sick. But we have that today, and tomorrow that may not be the case. So may we think like it. May we breathe like it, and may we love like it today. Let's get it today. Let's get it.